Okay, an example 4 is actually undoing the distributive property where you multiply out. So let's say that we have 4 times 2x plus 3 on the distributive. We would multiply this here and get rid of the parentheses, multiply by both terms inside. And so we get 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 3 is plus 12. This is distributive property, and so we're going to be getting back into the parentheses, because in math, if you go one way, you have to be able to go back the other way. So we're going to factor it out. Factoring means multiplying. So if example 4 says 3x plus 9, and we want to know, put it in factor. So pull out the factors. Well, there's 2 terms here, and what do they have in common? Well, the GCF is 3, because I can pull out a 3 here, and I can pull out a 3 here. So the GCF is 3. So I'm going to pull that out, put these in terms of x plus 3. So, and if you do that, that's the answer. And you can check it, because 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times 3 is plus 9. So you're going to pull out the factor of 3, what they have in common, and you're left with x plus 3. A little bit tricky, but let's look at it again and see if we can do this here. Example 5 says factor 12x plus 7y. So you have this expression, and what do they have in common? Well, they don't have any numbers in common, but what they do have in common is nothing. They don't have any numbers. You can't pull out a 2 in both of them. You can't put anything out. You can't pull out an x or a y in both of them. And so the GCF is 1. And you know what we said about if 1, so you can't factor that. So 12x plus 7y is not factoring. You can't factor it, so the GCF is 1. You are done.